it's Max Hairstyles, and today I'm going to teach you how to wax your eyebrows. It's going to save you a lot of pain from plucking and a lot of money from getting it professionally done, so keep watching.
So I got this wax warmer just at Sally's. It was like $15 for the warmer and the wax is about $17. Then I just have some leftover pieces of an old pillowcase, some baby oil, and scissors. I have them cut in sizes to go in between the eyes, and the longer ones are for the eyebrow itself. And a comb, fine tooth comb, so you can brush your eyebrows, but I use a brush also. So this is how they look before we start, and I just take my comb or my brush and brush that eyebrow straight up so that I can see all the hairs that are too long. And then I get out my scissors and I just gently follow that brow line, whatever the natural line is. Do it a couple of times because those hairs tend to fall back down. So when you get it all trimmed how you like it, I get a little bit of wax. I just have this plastic knife that I use. I'm sure there's a tool you could buy. Hold the eyebrow up, and then I like to pluck very conservatively, because sometimes if you pluck too often, you'll just stop growing hair there, and maybe you want a thicker eyebrow. So I'm conservative on where I pluck, and then I just lay my fabric down, rub it the direction that the hair grows, then pull that temple back and yank it off the opposite direction of the way the hair grows. See how it cleaned up that brow so nicely? Now we'll go ahead and do the hair in between the eyebrows. And it's kind of the fashion right now to leave those little sprays on the edge of the eyebrows, so I'm going to leave those there and just put the wax on in the direction that the hair grows. Put on the fabric and rub it the same direction that the hair grows. And then pull the forehead so it's kind of tight, and then yank the fabric off the opposite direction. And then I brush it up again, get out my scissors, trim it up wherever I think it needs it. You may have to get your tweezers and pull out like one hair or something that didn't pull. See how nice that looks? It just gives it such a pretty arch, and the brow area is all clean. Now to get the wax off, you can buy an expensive wax remover, but I like to use baby oil. Rub a little on the fabric and just take off the extra wax with that.